My first time rail fanning in Ashland, Nebraska at the BNSF Wye. Here's Highway 6 coming into town. Creston sub goes by, splits off into Sioux City and Omaha. I was really excited to be here. In fact, so excited I made a stupid mistake. Here's a look at Google Maps. This road right here goes down to the tracks. There is a crossing here, but it's private. It's for maintenance away. And I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there's a little gravel road here, and it's a crew change point as well. Okay. So I did something stupid. See that no trespassing sign? I decided to park up here at the concrete blockades, concrete barriers. Yeah, I just thought, what the heck, I can get better shots, and if BNSF wants me to move back, they'll just ask me to do it. No. It's kind of a sensitive spot for them. They used to allow rail fans down here to the concrete barriers, and then they discovered that they were blocking maintenance away, getting through to cross over here, and crew change just up from here. Well, those cars couldn't get in, those vehicles couldn't get in, so they had to move the no trespassing back to here. And it's kind of a sensitive point for them. It's been kind of a pain, and I think they still have some issues with it. So they called the sheriff. Sheriff came, asked me to move back. He was a real nice guy. Once he went through his protocols, ran my driver's license, we had a nice chat, and he found a place for me to rail fan where I wouldn't get into trouble. How about that? How nice is that? And then gave me some pointers and everything. So, first couple of videos, I'm down here by the stop sign, and then after that, I move back. So let's get going. I even think I said, man, this is a great place, and I'm pushing it, I think, So, okay, I'm an idiot. Yeah, my radio was going off like crazy, so I knew something was coming. Plus, the signal was green down on the other side of me, but I was going to shoot into the sun, and I couldn't hardly get that color in there, I'm sure. But here we go. It looks like a coal car or a grainer from here. Can't really tell. Man, this is a great location. And judging from the radio, there's a lot of stuff going on today. I might get 2 videos worth. Oh, I forgot my earplugs though. Look like they're empty. The springs aren't compressed. $40, a little bit of a breeze. Turn around, you're probably going to get the wind sound, but that's going to be the best shot. This is a crossover for the BNSF crews only. So they don't want anybody going across the crossing. For maintenance away, in other words. like it in the distance. Really shooting in the sun here, but this is the only place I can go if I want to be down here. Probably pushing it a little bit by parking right at the barriers, but pretty cool though. That's gotta be worth a that's gotta be worth a thumbs up and a subscribe, don't you think? So a few minutes later, I got another westbound coal train on the Creston sub, and you'll see the train waiting on a new crew right next to it at the beginning. Coal train. Okay, this one's got a DPU in the middle of the consist or so. That's cool. Got a bunch of maintenance away out here too, just a little bit west of here. Wow, 2 DPUs. Okay, here's that train waiting for a crew change. Been there for quite a while, and you can see that the new crew has been shuttled down there, and they're getting everything ready. And this next video will show that train pulling out and going up to the Sioux City sub. Also of note, the Sherrif is come and gone, so I'm further back. Okay, here comes that crew change train. Yeah, it's been sitting there for a while, at least an hour, but they just brought the conductor and engineer down not too long ago. Hey, wait a minute, what am I hearing? Yep. That's a full coal train too. Oh, that other train is going up to Sioux City. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can. That's pretty cool. Yeah. So you can see that one heading out on the Sioux City sub. That's pretty cool. Back up a little bit so I don't get myself in trouble again. Well, my new location, I can't see too far down there, so I don't know how long a train this is. But you can see that Sioux City train behind this one on the Creston sub. The other train's going on to the Sioux City sub. He's picking up speed. Oh, here comes the DPU. There we go. So we can watch this one on the Sioux City sub. Yeah, that cop said they had a zero tolerance policy. I was probably 15 feet past the no trespassing sign, and honestly, I never go more than a foot. At least I don't think I do. What is that, Grainers? Yeah, I think so. Oops. Zoom out a little. There. A little easier to control the camera. Just had a crew change on this one. Yeah, that's pretty long. I put this one on the tripod. I don't know if you saw it jump in the video, but this is what I need, a drone. That'd be cool. Go up and see the front of the train. But I'm not doing that. My luck, probably crashed the drone the first time out. I'm a total klutz, so. I think I can hear his horn. Oh, there's the DPU. trying to show the line going up to Sioux City. I don't know how much you're getting there. I like to keep these videos to around 20 minutes, but I'm going to go over because I want to show you one last catch. I'll show you the end of a westbound coal train with the DPUs, and then I catch an eastbound at the same time. So I got to show you that, and then the video will end. Hey, do me a favor, though. You can really help me out by giving me a thumbs up and subscribing. Thanks. Yeah, there's the end of the train. 2 DPUs. All right. Looks like it's empty though, judging from the springs at the top of the cars. Boy, that sun's right in my eyes. You can sort of see what's happening. Now here comes another one. Jeez. Good day for rail fanning. Ah, it's just a locomotive. How about that? No, it's not. It's a coal train. You know, it would help if I wasn't blind. Man, there's a lot of trains today. He's full, too. Those cars are full. Good day though, despite getting pinched. Oh, there we go. Didn't hear it coming.